guys, I'm going shopping and it's an emergency because look at all this. My Adidas slides all ripped up. I've had those maybe like 2 years since 2021. My handbag or my crossbody bag all ripped up. It looks like mice ate it. It's well used. Look how ripped it is. Look at the zipper. And then my jeans underneath of it. All the jeans I've been getting since I got that job have been getting ripped because I wear jeans to work, a lot of squatting, bending over. I think I've gone through like 5 pairs of jeans in the last, I don't know, less than 2 years. And then my shorts that I wear at home, same thing. Just elastic band coming out is a mess. So we gotta go out here and find some goodies. And if not, I'm gonna order on Amazon. Good morning, you guys. So it is super early in the morning and I'm barely awake. I have work in a little bit. I mean, like in 2 hours. It's 7 o'clock and I have work at 10 and everyone is still sleeping, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. This arrived yesterday and I didn't want to open it because I knew I wanted to film it. So here we are. So this is the package. And I was saying to my mom that it scares me that the box is a bit small because it's supposed to be a few bags, like pocketbooks in here. I'll put it on the screen what the set is supposed to look like, and some socks. And this is what the box looks like. So we'll start first by taking my address off the box. The last time I had a package and I made a mistake of taking everything out the box and I put the box out without breaking it down and still had my address on it. And I was so mad because like by the time I realized it and I went back outside to grab it, somebody had taken the box. So I just hope they don't do anything bad with it. But this was like, what, like over the summer, over like 3-4 months ago. But we'll start by taking off my address and then we'll open this out. Using a pair of scissors. These are quite sharp. I'm guessing these are the socks. So let's open these up. Socks. Look, how cute are they? I don't know if you can see. Maybe let me turn some more lights on. These are what they look like. Different shades of gray. I think it's pretty cute. I think it came 10 in a pack. I may actually go ahead and wear like a pair this morning. 2, 3, so that's 4. And there's more in here, obviously. And this is the bag here. Let me take it out, the plastic. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is really nice. I thought it'd be a bit bigger, but it's all good. And then there's some stuff in here. And then this is the next one inside of it. This one is a smaller version. And I think it has a crossbody strap inside of it. Let's see. this is a strap for this bag. It's a crossbody bag. But I could also carry it just like this, which, why would I do that? So I'm gonna put the strap and use it as a crossbody bag. And this is the next one that was inside of it. Also has a strap in it. These are so cute. And they had different colors. 1, 2, 3. And there's one more. This one in here. You could use it as a makeup bag actually. I don't really know what this is, but I guess you can put it underneath here. But I don't think I'll be using this for anything other than maybe like makeup, like when I travel. And that's pretty much it. These feel very cheap and fake. Oh my god. Or maybe that's just the quality now. It feels very cheap and fake. Oh Lord. It's a shirt.
There you go. You know he's locked into because we got some of our mothers cook. Right. You know he's not that pasta. Well, that's
It looked nice online. Okay. Here's the next one. Oh, I was about to be scared. Like, where's the rest of my stuff? So this is like a vacuum storage bag for traveling. See the little suction thing here? I think it's in here. It's like 20 pack. Got my CeraVe. Went value size because why not? And then it's a face wash. I forget what this. Oh. Got a mud mask, Dead Sea mud mask. I haven't had one of these in a while, so I'm excited to use this starting tonight. Well, I've already washed my face, but I'll probably use it tomorrow. And I got an umbrella because the other one is begging for dear life or holding on for dear life, so I got a small one. It's cute, nice design. Yeah, that's all I got. All right, it is way later, like 2 months later. I just came back from Ulta. And I got some facial waxing strips. This is not the kind that I wanted. The one that I wanted is the bigger packs, and it doesn't look like this. You use it with like wax and these. So it's basically, it's also called Parisa. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's the white like strips, and you use it with these and the wax. But I couldn't find those, so I just got these instead. These were $8.49 according to my receipt. And then I also got some Body Shop body butter. It's right here. I think I should be looking at this camera. Yeah, that's the camera. I keep forgetting that that's the camera. So yeah, some Body Shop body butter and coconut. This is a pretty huge container, and I knew it was going to be expensive because this stuff is not cheap. It was 13.5 fluid ounces. This is a lot. And I think it was going for $36, you guys. $36 for 13 ounces. 13.5. But it was 40% off, thankfully. And so with the 40% off, that was $14.40 off from $36. So I ended up paying $21.60 for it instead of $36, which that's a win. And so my total was $31.90. Yeah, if it wasn't for the 40% off, I would have been paying like way over $40. So I'll take it. Yeah, there were other things that I saw, but I was like, yeah, I don't really need those right away. Like, I need hair masks, but like I still have my braids on, and I'm gonna have my braids on. I don't know if you guys can see, they're still good. Maybe just the edges need to be oiled. But like, I've had these braids now for 4 weeks, which I got done in Ghana, and I'll probably wear it for like another week and then take it off like the day after Christmas. So I will probably need that hair mask then, but for right now I have like another week. But yeah, that's all I got for this unboxing session. And actually, you guys, I think I'm going to just conclude the video right there, so this video is not too long. And actually, the other things that I ordered are not due to arrival until the end of the week, and I'm not trying to wait. This video needs to go up by Friday or Saturday. So I hope you enjoyed the video and it gives you ideas for gifts and whatnot, or even if it's, you know, not for a gift, if it's a gift for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. So as always, click like, click share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys next week.